information on the topic of the Testarossa, the living costs of such a car. What is it really going to cost you to maintain this thing, to live with it? And I think I've got some information that's going to be good for you, so stick around. So if you're not sure what's going on with the car, in recent episodes I've talked about the clutch giving me problems, and I've actually had to trailer the car home a few times because of fluid coming out of the bottom of the bell housing. The bell housing, or the clutch, and the brake system share the same hydraulic fluid, and it's been leaking out the bottom of the car, and it wasn't certain what was the problem. My mechanic has done a few provisional improvements before he's jumped into deeper problems to solve, but it turns out the clutch release support flange is what's not working anymore. It needs to be replaced, and there's an interesting drama about that with the availability of parts, and that's what I want to explain. Now, the particular drama with this car, with the spare part that I'm looking for, this clutch release support flange, from one supplier they're looking for 840 pounds, another supplier 880, so quite similar. However, if you go to a third supplier, actually the official supplier, they want over 4,000 pounds for the same part, which is crazy. The cool thing about my situation is that part is actually not available anymore for the 91, the late model car. What do you want to do? What do they ask you to do? To upgrade to a 512 TR clutch, which I'd rather do anyways. And the price of that is $3,600 for a full kit, which is very fair, plus obviously installation labor. But then you have a much healthier, better performing Testarossa for it. So what turned out to be a bit of a drama is actually going to be better for me in the first place, but the differences in spare part pricing are crazy. Something that Maranello should have managed in the first place, but that is a reality of spare parts with classic cars. This is one example. I'm pretty sure there are many examples hidden under both bonnets of these cars in terms of these discrepancies as well as availability. Well, hope you've enjoyed that insights into owning a classic Ferrari. I always get asked which car would I prefer to have if I could choose only one. By far, the 328. It is the easiest car to live with. It pushes all the buttons. Trouble-free in general, even though this is a 40-year-old car next year. This car is amazing. However, once you get behind the wheel and it's working, you tend to forget about any of the challenges you actually had with the car. So the desire car, the logical car, that's how I see it. But if you have any questions, any comments, you want to hear anything else about these cars or other videos, please by all means put it in the chat. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.